It's 3 in the morning.
Yes.
And we're on the road.
Headed for
New Orleans.
the airport and
Then Dallas. And then our final destination, Mexico City.
Mexico City.
Yes.
So we'll hit Mexico City about what?
Noon.
About noon? Alrighty.
We'll have lunch. We'll go buy our bus tickets and have lunch. And then get on the bus and go.
Sounds like a plan.
Yes.
We are on the road.
Now we're getting close to the airport.
Yeah. See, there's Paris Avenue. Turn for Baton Rouge is coming up. We'll get off before that, right?
Yes.
Got everything?
Muchas gracias.
De nada, estamos al pendiente. Aquí ustedes ya cuando vengan,
Gracias.
yo vengo por ustedes.
Ok, muchas gracias. Le agradezco el cariño. Gracias. Muchísimas gracias. Good morning.
Good morning. They call this coffee.
Where are you?
I'm at the New Orleans International Airport. Where are you?
I'm right here next to you. And you're here because
Because we're traveling to Dallas and then from Dallas to Mexico.
very good.
It's really big airport, and we just went through security, and that was a lot of fun. Security could be better. All that whole, I mean, we had to run a labyrinth, you know, just like rats in a maze, and then go through, and then take our shoes off and everything, because I have metal in my shoes, and walk through the little thing, and then they had to look at one of our bags. So I think we got randomly picked. And then we got through all that, and so now we've got, what, about 45 more minutes before we actually board the plane. Head to Mexico.
The thing is that
Ooh, that looks delicious. What is it? It's what they're passing off as a sausage.
mystery breakfast.
Mystery breakfast. It says Jimmy Dean.
Yeah.
Mine wasn't bad. Mine wasn't too bad.
Bacon, egg, and cheese. Salud.
Excuse me.
Bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit.
That looks delish.
Yes, it is.
So you were telling me about coming back. We're going to have to distribute the weight evenly on our...
The thing is, salud.
Yeah.
Your tripod and the 2 lampstands are heavy.
There's only one lampstand in there.
On the lampstand, it's
two
heavy.
tripods, the monopod and the rubber little grippy thing. That's
We're too heavy.
Boy, you look green on here. I hope you're not.
Where's the light?
You're a margin.
I'm an alien. What did you expect?
That's right. We're going to your planet. This is my view out the window. My view out the window. When we get to 10,000 feet, I'm going to look out and start screaming, "There's someone on the wing!" Let's do it. I'll pull a Shatner. Yeah. Okay, I'm probably too close. Man, we are like cramped in here. This is it. We're cramped in.
But guess what?
What?
Michael got a window seat.
I got a window seat. I get to look out the window. What?
I don't like that you cannot tell.
Yeah, you can't see. Dallas Airport.
Yes.
That's where we are now.
We're here on
Dallas Airport. I wanted to see that little structure over there. Some kind of little castle back in there or something. So, connecting flight.
from Dallas to Mexico City.
Yeah. So now we gotta wait for the plane.
The plane, yes.
Which I have decided I'm gonna sleep on this one. I'm just gonna crash.
Yeah, go ahead.
Here we are.
Yes.
Halfway there. Got on a plane in New Orleans, flew to Dallas, got on a plane in Dallas, flew to Mexico City. Now we're about to get on a bus and go to Quintero, whatever. And we're all just kind of dead tired, wiped out right now. This is our luggage. So that's what we're hauling around everywhere we go. Just kind of really wanting to get to a point where we just stop, you know, because I'm tired of the procedure and the process and checking in here and checking out there, going through customs and stop for a minute and go again, stop for a minute and go again, and waiting for a bus that's going to take us to the neighboring city where Edith's parents live. And it leaves at 3 o'clock, and it's about 2:30 now, so this is part of the wait time, you know. The airplane was like flying in a metal tube that you're squeezed together. It's not comfortable at all. I was able to sleep maybe about an hour. Well, we've been up 24 hours, and more than 24 hours now, yeah, with no sleep, and going through this whole procedure just to get here and get settled in. So that's kind of where we're at right now, and we'll probably crash. Yeah, we'll crash when we get there. This is Edith's parents' house in Mexico. Water is pumped up to these tanks on the roof and then gravity fed into your house. So you know, the plumbing is a little different here than it is in America. I would hate to be an electrician in this town. Wiring seems to have no rhyme or reason. It's wherever you can string a line and run it. Well, there you go. You've got electricity. Never park your car on the side of the road. And speaking of roads, this is sort of like a cobblestone road. You'll find this a lot in Mexico. They do have pavement on highways and things, but a lot of the roads are just rock like this. I have no idea what that is. I'm sure it has some meaning. It may be a reindeer left there for Christmas or something. I don't know.